performance was horrific.
This is not a job for the faint-hearted.
Select to the front! Select!
Top of their field and highly esteemed, these three commanders are calling it a day. For the last 4 decades, Western Sydney commanders Ray Firewood, Ben Pescheck and Ray King have served in the community.
It was an adventure when I first began in 1968.
Is there anyone else still around from your year of 68?
I mean, last of the Mohegans. When I started, there was no cyber crime because there was no cyber.
A lot has changed.
Attitudes of people has changed. They tend to be more aggressive. I don't know what the reasons are.
I think my tongue's bleeding.
To our local shopping centre.
I think my tongue is bleeding.
The behaviour there is just breathtaking.
Just looking. Let's see
Based
what
on
that
the way we were brought up.
Not sure.
You'll walk away